Kind of looks like slow motion when it's running, which is always kind of interesting. You can slow it down. That's cool. Give it a spin, dude. Get it close with this linkage. Guess you can slow it down, Tyler, so we can see it better. This is what I'm talking about. The perpendicular linkages. And then this is the valve link. This motor is really easy to make. I have the plans for it. If you wanted them, they're in AutoCAD. You can have them for free. Doesn't matter. You can make it. It's a really simple motor. You just have to have a little bit of machining knowledge. It's not a big deal. Wasn't hard. Certainly within everyone's capability if you have just a little bit of desire to make your own steam model. Let it fly, dude. Open up, dude. That's cool. I guess you can slow it down now. Well, hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Good luck on all your steam engine projects, folks.